Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to draw a horizontal line right here in ThinkorSwim. And if you want to do this, first of all, make sure that you go right here to charts, because first of all, you need to find a chart by yourself. So then right here on the Nasdaq, I want to create a trend line. So what we're going to do is we go right into drawings, drawing tools, and we select right here this trend line. So then you click right here on this trend line, and now what we can do, if we zoom in and zoom out with holding Control and then mouse wheel, you can zoom in, zoom out, and let's say we want to create here a nice trend line. Then click on it and then throw the trend line to where you want to have it. So let's do maybe somewhere here. This is great, I think. Then we click on this, and now you see right here that we are having a nice red horizontal trend line. And this is exactly how this works. If you want to remove it, just click on your right mouse and then remove drawing. And this is how you can do this. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.